Kids Big News!
Hi guys, welcome to the program. My name's Kairezze. The studio is outside today because the weather is glorious. But let's catch a quick update. The easing of lockdown has been changed from the 21st of June to the 19th of July due to high infection rate. Now for some international news. We recently reported that a woman had 9 babies, but now a woman in South Africa had 10 babies. Can you believe it? The Euro 2020 football has begun. Hope you're enjoying it. And recently, Christian Eriksen collapsed on the pitch and his heart stopped working for 4 minutes. But he's doing fine, thank God. We send all our prayers to him and the family. Now let's head into the hot seat. Hi guys, welcome back to the hot seat. I've got another special guest, so let's hop right into it. Hi guys, I'm interviewing a special person today. I think she should introduce herself.
Hi Olivia, thank you for having me. My name is Maya. I'm 11 years old and I am a sickle cell warrior.
Okay, thanks for doing this interview. I have 4 questions for you, so let's start. So question number 1 is, what do you want to be when you grow up?
I have lots of things I want to be when I'm older, but just 3: be interior designer, midwife and actress.
Wow. So question number 2 is, can you tell us a bit more?
Well, I'm already an actress and recently I starred in Our Black History Heroes, which is on BBC iPlayer, which talks about Black people in history. My episode is Malcolm X, but go watch all of them because they're really good.
Amazing. So question number 3 is, your mum was in Jingle Jangle. I love that film. How was it to see her on the big screen?
It wasn't actually on big screen because of lockdown, but it was meant to be in the cinema, but that didn't really happen. But it was absolutely amazing seeing her on TV because it was really cool to see her as a different character. Instead of being herself, she morphed into Mrs. Johnston really well. So I really liked it.
So question number 4 is, so you are a sickle cell warrior. Can you tell us more about it?
Sure. When people first meet me, they see a funny, smart and confident young lady. I love doing little things like drawing, gaming and hanging out with my friends. Sometimes I have lots of energy to do these activities, but other times I feel extremely tired, and that's because I have sickle cell anemia, which is a hereditary blood disorder that affects the function of the red blood cells. Red blood cells are meant to be round, soft and squidgy, like a donut with no hole. Its main job is to carry oxygen around the body, but once oxygen is delivered to the body part, the cell loses its shape and becomes crescent like a C. Then they get blocked trying to squeeze through the tiny blood vessels. This blockage causes crippling pain called a crisis, which can be experienced all over the body. 5 facts about sickle cell. Fact 1. Walter Clement Null, a dental student from Grenada, was the first person to be diagnosed with sickle cell in 1910 in the USA, although reports of sickle cell date back to 1670 in Ghana. 2. There are approximately 15,000 sickle cell warriors in the UK, 10,000 of which live in London alone, and it mainly affects people with black and brown skin. 3. If both parents carry the sickle cell trait, there is a 50% chance that the child will have the trait too, a 25% chance of being typical, no blood disorder, and a 25% chance of having sickle cell disease. You can find out if you have sickle cell trait by having a simple blood test. 4. Sickle cell can also cause bone damage, organ failure, anemia, stroke, leg ulcers, fevers, breathlessness, fatigue, pulmonary hypertension, and acute chest syndrome. 5. The only known cure is a bone marrow or stem cell transplant, which is only offered in the most extreme circumstances, and the patient then becomes a carrier, has the trait. I manage my sickle cell by eating a well-balanced diet, staying hydrated, regulating my temperature, getting lots of rest, and taking my medication. I have regular checkups with my doctor to make sure everything's okay, and talking to my family and friends helps to keep me positive. When I was 7, I asked my mum, why did God give me sickle cell? And together, we decided it was maybe so I could share my journey and show other sickle cell warriors that they're not alone. My Instagram name is @SickleCellAdvocate, and I've worked with the ACLT, African Caribbean Leukemia Trust, Sickle, the Sickle Cell Society, NHS Blood and Transplant, Red Cells Are Us, and Red Cells Are Us. I've appeared in UK grime artists' music video Hidden Pain, and even met the Be Positive choir because 3 of my aunties are members. World Sickle Cell Day is the 19th of June. This year I'm taking part in 2 campaigns, the United by Blood campaign from the ACLT, Black Mums Up Front and Selfie for Life to encourage more Black people to give blood because there aren't enough blood donors. And I'm also one of the warriors in the Sickle Cell Champion song from Little Crown Story House to teach young children in a fun and educational way. I am a sickle cell warrior and I have learned to fight the battles and celebrate the victories. I try not to let it get me down and don't allow my sickle cell to define me. I see it as an unfortunate complication and rise to the challenge. As well as already being a professional actress, I have big dreams of becoming an entrepreneur, vet, makeup artist, producer, director, author, illustrator, seamstress, interior designer, and midwife. And having sickle cell isn't going to stop me. Thank you for listening.
That was brilliant.
Thank you.
So thanks, Maya. That was so great. And you and some others done a song about sickle cell. So let's say bye and end with the song. Bye, Maya.
Bye. Thank you for having me.
You're welcome. Bye. Maya is so special. Thanks for joining me, guys. Don't forget to come back for more. See you next time. Bye. Wait, this way or that way? This way.
Wow, very inspiring. Now let's head over to what's for dinner.
Hi guys, welcome to What's for Dinner. Let's see what we're having for dinner. So today for dinner we're having jollof rice, fish, plantain and salad. Yummy! Now let me tell you the ingredients. So the jollof rice has onions, seasoning, tomato puree, carrots, and pepper, but the main ingredient is rice. So the fish has seasoning and the plantain and the salad are from the ground. I love plantain. And guys, for pudding is jelly. See you next time. Bye.
That looks yummy. Thanks for joining us, guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell button. We'll see you next time. Bye. And stay safe and have hope in whatever you do. Bye.
Kids Big News. Kids Big News. Kids Big News. Kids Big News. Kids Big News.
Kids Big News. Kids Big News.
Kids Big News.
Hey guys, it's Kids Big News. Big news. Big news.